Hi everybody, beautiful morning again. Really going to take advantage of this nice weather. Try and get a chicken run sorted out that I wanted to do, just because I'm a little bit concerned about foxes this winter. We will milk Daisy, feed the goats, feed the chickens and get on with doing the run. Come on, let's go. Lovely day again, like I said, so we're going to be outside again. Don't know how long this weather's going to last, but I had some battens ordered, 2x1 battens ordered the other day, and I need to cut up that today, at least to the length that I need. At the minute, the mixed chicken flock is behind an electric poultry net, but I'm not 100% that will keep the fox out when they start getting hungry, and I know that the chickens fly out of it anyway, so I would like to get a run sorted out for them so they're nice and safe, and that run will have a door on it, so when I'm down here they can actually go further afield if they want to, but when they're unattended and there's nobody here, they'll be in their secure run, much the same as Napoleon and his girls. So I'm going to do it in 10 foot by 10 foot, and then enough room for me to duck in and sort out food and water and whatnot. I think I will butt it up to the coop that they have now, so I can access the back door from outside of the run to collect eggs and clean it out. I think that would be easier. At the minute, down here, I've got a light Sussex cockerel, a light Sussex pellet, 2 cream leg bars and a little random bantam. The little random bantam is my daughter's favourite, so she has to stay. The light Sussex cockerel will be killed soon for food for us, and I'll be replacing that cockerel with the cream leg bar cockerel, bringing 2 cream leg bar pellets down here from up the top, and then moving the light Sussex pellet from down here up to the top, so she can be included in the breeding pen because she's really nice. And then so that'll leave us with 4 cream leg bar pellets and a cream leg bar cockerel, and then the random bantam. Eventually I also want the well summer pellets, 2 well summer pellets to come down with this cream leg bar cockerel, so we can start producing our own green egg layers. We'll sell one of the 2 of the cream leg bar pellets, so that'll make room for the well summers. So in all, let me do the maths. Eventually, ultimately, chicken maths, 1 becomes 10. We'll have cream leg bar cockerel, 2 cream leg bar pellets, 2 well summer pellets, and then random bantam. So we need room for 6 chickens in a run. So I think you go by 10 square foot per chicken. So we need 60 square foot of space for what we are going to be having in here. And my 10 foot by 10 foot run will be enough for 10 birds. So it'll be 100 square foot. So I always like going a bit more. Don't want to do the bare minimum, just in case we get more chickens. so I think that'll be fine. So the lengths of wood that I've got are something just under 14 foot. So if I do 10 foot lengths, I'll have 4 foot left over. Those will be the uprights. Daisy's well on track for giving us our 2 litres today, if not a little bit more, I think. Fantastic. Thank you, Daisy. Nice breakfast, Days. So I'll just let them out this way. I'll probably be jumped on. Come on. Romy, come on! So as I said, we're going to cut some 10 foot lengths. So I'm going to leave it there today. I've got a few things I need to do up at the house, and then we'll be back tomorrow and do the next step, which will be screwing these all together and making the frame. Okay, thanks for being with me today. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hi everyone. Well, we knew this weather wasn't going to last. You can see the clouds behind me. It's not going to stop us. It's not raining yet. So we got to get our chicken run sorted. We had an attack yesterday. One of my little breast hens who free ranges at the top. We had a buzzard or a kite come down and jump on top of her. She luckily one of our family members ran out and had scared it off, and she ran off underneath into the bushes. So I checked on her. She's walking about, she's fine, she's eating. I checked on her, she's got quite a bit of feather loss around her neck and it looks a bit raw, so I've sprayed it with antibiotic spray. She looks fine. I'm just very concerned that obviously we've got these aerial predators that we need to try and safeguard our chickens against. The free rangers up there, hopefully they've learned their lesson. They've got a lot of undercover places they can go. Chickens down here, on the other hand, haven't, and I need to get the coop up so that they're covered on top. Let's do it! Okay, so these are our uprights. I'll move these out of the way. So now we need to put the uprights.
So the run is coming on really well, but unfortunately we were rained off, and it's going to be a couple of days before I'm going to be able to get outside and do it again. So I'll post this video as a part 1, and I'll film part 2 in the coming days so you can see the finished article. It's quite urgent that we get this run done, as I have spotted a buzzard around quite a lot. So I'm no way letting my chickens out knowing that they're not protected. Thanks for joining me today. So stay tuned to the channel. I've got some indoor videos, some tutorials on how to make rosehip jelly and plum jam. So I'll be posting those soon. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.